Zoho Books is one of the top accounting software options on the market, but before you dive in, there are 12 things you should know. While it's a great tool, it's important to compare it to competitors to make sure it fits your needs. Stick around, because we'll also recommend a solution you can try for free if Zoho Books isn't the right fit. Next thing, Zoho Books has a user-friendly interface. Compared to other accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, Zoho Books stands out for its clean layout and ease of navigation. You won't find yourself digging through endless menus to find what you need, which is something some competitors can struggle with. The third thing is its pricing. Zoho Books offers a range of plans starting at a lower price point than QuickBooks, making it an appealing option for small businesses. However, keep in mind that some of the more advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. If you're looking for a simple, affordable option, it's a great pick, but bigger businesses might want to explore more scalable options. Next, Zoho Books shines when it comes to automation. From sending out payment reminders to generating recurring invoices, it helps save time on repetitive tasks. This can be a huge benefit for businesses that want to streamline their accounting without hiring extra help. While QuickBooks also offers automation, Zoho Books tends to offer more flexibility and customization, which could be a deciding factor for some users. Now, let's talk about integrations. Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps, but it's also compatible with popular third-party tools like PayPal, Stripe, and G Suite. One thing to note is that while Zoho Books has a solid range of integrations, it doesn't have the same massive third-party app marketplace that QuickBooks does, which might limit your options depending on your business needs. The fifth thing is that Zoho Books offers strong multi-currency support. This is great if you're dealing with international clients or suppliers. In comparison, Xero is also known for excellent multi-currency support, but Zoho Books does it at a lower price point. It's worth checking if your business needs this feature before deciding. Next, one thing that sets Zoho Books apart from some competitors is its customer support. Zoho's customer service is available through live chat, email, and phone support, and users often report positive experiences. Many users claim that QuickBooks customer service can be slow, which could be a drawback for businesses that need instant assistance. Now let's talk about reporting. Zoho Books offers a variety of financial reports, including profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements, among others. While it may not have the depth of reports that QuickBooks offers, Zoho Books still provides the essentials for most small businesses. If you need highly detailed or industry-specific reports, it's worth considering whether another platform might serve you better. The eighth thing is mobile access. Zoho Books has a fully functional mobile app, allowing you to manage your finances on the go. This is something that some competitors, like Xero, do well, but QuickBooks tends to lack in comparison. Zoho Books' mobile app gives you access to invoices, reports, and bank reconciliations, making it easy to manage your business even while traveling. Another important feature to keep in mind is Zoho Books' tax compliance. While it does a good job of handling tax reports and offers integration with tax systems in various regions, it's not as robust as QuickBooks in this area, especially for businesses with complex tax needs. Next, if you're a freelancer or a business with a lot of clients, Zoho Books' time tracking feature will be helpful. It allows you to track billable hours and create invoices based on that time. QuickBooks offers similar features, but Zoho Books provides it at a more accessible price. Another thing you'll appreciate is the ability to customize invoices. Zoho Books offers a high level of customization for invoices, letting you adjust the design and layout to fit your brand's image. While Xero also offers invoice customization, Zoho Books makes it easier for non-designers to create professional-looking invoices. Finally, Zoho Books has strong security features, including two-factor authentication and data encryption. While this is standard across most top accounting software, it's always good to see companies prioritizing security, especially when dealing with sensitive financial data. So, is Zoho Books the best accounting solution for your business? It's certainly a solid choice for small businesses with a user-friendly interface, strong automation features, and competitive pricing. But if you're looking for something with more comprehensive integrations, reporting, or tax compliance, you may want to explore other options. Check out